Hi, my name is Gaurav Singhbish and today I am explaining about cloud computing security challenges. Cloud computing security challenges fall into three broad categories. First is data protection, which means securing your data both at rest and in transit. User authentication, limited access to data, monitoring who access the data. Disaster and data breach means continuous planning. Security issues in cloud computing. First is data breaches. It is an incident in which a sensitive, protected, or confidential data has potentially been viewed, stolen, or used by an individual unauthorized. Second is data loss. Valuable data disappeared into the ether without a trace. Third is account or service trafficking, hijacking. An attacker gains access to your account. He or she can eardrops on your activities and redirect your client to illegitimate sites. Fourth is insecure interfaces and API. Cloud computing provides exposure a set of software interfaces or API that customers use to manage and interact with cloud services. Denial of services. DOS outages can cost service provider customer and provides privacy to customers who are billed based on disk space consumed. So, then is malicious insiders. It can be a current or former employee, a contractor, or a business partner who gains access to a network, system, or data for malicious process. Then is cloud abuse. What is cloud abuse means? A bad guy using a cloud server to break an encryption key which is too difficult to crack on a standard computer. Shared technology vulnerability, which means cloud service providers shares infrastructure, platform and application to deliver their services in a scalable way. How to ensure user that both data and codes are safe? Very hard for the customer to actually verify the currently implemented security practices and intuitives of a cloud computing service provider, because the customer generally has no access to the provider faculty, which can be compressed of multiple faculties spread around the globe. But the solution is provider should get some standard certificate from governing institutions that ensure that provider has established adequate internal control, and this control are operatively efficiently and this control are operating efficiently. So the conclusion are cloud computing can be seen as a new phenomena which is set to be revolutionize the way we use the internet. There is much to be cautioned about. There are many new technology emerging at a rapid rate, each with technological advancement and with the potential of making human life easier. However, one must be very careful to understand the security risk and challenges posed in utilizing this technique. So that is it about cloud computing security. Thanks for watching.